Welcome back to Healthy Horizons, your trusted space for simple tips to boost your well-being. Today, we're diving into the tiny but mighty fennel seed, a spice that's been treasured for centuries across cultures. From easing digestion to brightening your skin, fennel seeds are packed with incredible health benefits that you don't want to miss. So grab a cup of fennel tea, sit back, and let's explore why these little seeds deserve a place in your daily routine. Fennel seeds come from the fennel plant, an aromatic herb native to the Mediterranean but now grown worldwide. These tiny greenish-brown seeds are not just flavorful, but also rich in nutrients. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, essential oils like anethol, and important minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. For thousands of years, fennel seeds have been used in traditional medicine, from Ayurveda to ancient Roman remedies. Let's discover what modern science says about their health benefits. One of the most famous benefits of fennel seeds is how they aid digestion. Relieves bloating and gas. The essential oils in fennel seeds relax your digestive muscles, helping to release trapped gas and reduce that uncomfortable bloated feeling. Helps with heartburn. Chewing fennel seeds or drinking fennel tea after meals may ease acidity and heartburn. Supports gut health. The fiber in fennel seeds helps move food smoothly through your digestive tract, preventing constipation. Many cultures serve fennel seeds as a mouth freshener and digestive aid after meals, and now you know why. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, quercetin, and anethol. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from oxidative stress. This means fennel seeds may help reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Regular consumption of fennel seeds, whether in your cooking or as tea, can contribute to long-term health protection. Trying to manage your weight? Fennel seeds can be a helpful companion. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing unnecessary snacking. Fennel seed tea is also known for its gentle diuretic properties, which may reduce water retention and bloating. Of course, fennel seeds work best as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Your skin and hair can also benefit from fennel seeds. Thanks to their antioxidants and minerals, fennel seeds help protect skin cells from damage caused by pollution and UV rays. Promote collagen production for firmer skin. Nourish hair follicles with iron and selenium, supporting stronger, healthier hair. Some people even use fennel seed water as a natural toner to refresh their skin. And that's not all. Fennel seeds offer a variety of additional health perks. Hormonal balance. Fennel seeds have mild phytoestrogen properties, which may help ease symptoms of PMS and menopause. Heart health. Their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular health. Respiratory relief. Fennel soothing oils can help ease coughs and clear congestion. It's amazing how much these tiny seeds can do. Ready to add fennel seeds to your routine? Here are a few easy ways. Chew a teaspoon of seeds after meals for digestion and fresh breath. Brew fennel tea by steeping the seeds in hot water. Sprinkle toasted seeds on salads, soups, or even desserts for a gentle sweet spicy flavor. But remember, moderation is key. Around 1 to 2 teaspoons a day is usually enough. If you're pregnant or have certain medical conditions, consult your doctor before adding large amounts to your diet. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of fennel seeds. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.